What's up, guys? Hey, thanks for stopping by the channel today. Guess what we're going to be doing? We're going to be working on this shop again. The never-ending project. There's always something to do out here. So guys, today we're going to be putting insulation, hopefully all the way around the building today. We're going to get these walls secured and hopefully, before long, we'll start getting some sheetrock in. So guys, enjoy this little time-lapse video of some insulation install. Let's get busy. All right, everybody, that's gonna just about do it for this particular video. We got this wall over here finished, and that's about all we're gonna do for today. Tomorrow we're gonna be working on this wall over here. We're gonna anchor it and then finish the insulation install. Then we're gonna go out front and we're gonna get those lights put on the front of the garage and be one step further to getting this shop finished. So guys, thanks for watching. If you liked what you've seen here today, hit that like button, give us a subscribe, clang on that notification bell, and like always, we will see you on the next one. Welcome back everybody to our day 2 of our mess in the garage. We've got a big mess back here behind me. We're working on the rest of the installation for the building. Hopefully today we'll get that finished up. So guys, stay tuned. Everybody, we got the building halfway back together. We've got the Camaro back all tucked in nice and neat. We got all the insulation done along the walls. Now all we got to do is insulate the upper half and it'll be good to go. Then it'll be time to do the sheetrock. Always something. Like I told you, this is the never-ending project. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. Hope it was a little bit of entertainment anyway. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, clang on that notification bell, and we will see you on the next one.